Hello there, this is a really quick video to show you how to install the Wordpress plugin and get one of your players onto a Wordpress blog. It does need to be Wordpress. So first of all, come to your My Account setting inside Monkey Playr, scroll down until you see your free WordPress plugin. Then down here you'll see the download. So let's just click on the download and choose where to save the file. I'm going to save it somewhere that's very easy to find, which is on my desktop in a folder called Demos. Here's my Monkey plugin. So I've already done it just before the demo, so I'm going to just replace it so you can see what happens. So it will download it and put it there. So now let's go to the WordPress blog. Here's a brand new WordPress blog. You can see I haven't got the Monkey plugin here. In between these two here, there's no Monkey plugin. So let's click on here and go to Add New. And I'm going to upload the Monkey plugin. Let's go find it. Here we are in the desktop demos. Here's my Monkey plugin, and oh wait a minute, let me pull this down so you can see. Desktop demos, Monkey plugin, click open, and it's here. All I have to do is click install now, and very quickly it's installed and I can activate it. So you see, it's very quick and very easy. Then let's go to add a new post, and here in add a new post I'm going to call this demo Monkey Playr, and we're going to come down. So this is where we want to paste it. So I'm going to then go back to my Monkey Playr account, go to my players. I can click on here to get the, you'd like to see it, would you? Okay, let's go into edit. So I've set up, this is a very basic setup. I've picked up a YouTube video here. I've set pretty much everything else is left to the defaults. And if I preview it, you will see that it is a pretty sailboat. Okay, it's a sailboat video just for entertainment value. There we go. Okay, so that's what we're showing. So I can save or I can cancel. If I save, I get my codes here, and this is the one I want. If I already had it, I would click on the code here and I will get exactly the same page. I've got the Monkey Tools shortcode here. I click on copy. I go to my WordPress blog. I come in here and I hit paste. And there's the code straight in there. Now we can preview it. And you will see that we've got the video right here. I've done nothing to the WordPress blog. Okay, so that's, and here's the video ready to play. So it's dead easy. And now the interesting thing is that if you do anything, as you see, this is my sailing blog, my sailing video. If I now go back into Monkey Playr, and if I were to change, let's have a quick look in YouTube for a sailboat. Let's pick a different video. Let's pick this one here. I will grab the URL. I will grab the URL from the address bar, which is probably just outside your vision. So I've grabbed it and I've gone copy it. I go into my Monkey Playr, into my demo here. I click on edit. I change the video here. Paste the new one in. I click save. I don't need the code again because I've already got it here. If you remember, we've got this sailing video here, this one. Now if I refresh, and you'll see I've changed the video just like that, without having really to come back in here. I've only had to view this. I haven't had to change the code at all. So I hope that helps you set up your WordPress, your video in your WordPress blog.